Loves basketball.
Tell me what? For real. You be popping off and then you go to sleep in your trash.
What the fuck? 1v1. 1v1.
I'm kidding.
My setting?
Yeah, bro.
I'm not 1v1ing.
Yeah.
Who's this?
Bro, how are you
Wait,
bigger than me?
His
But-
name looks familiar.
Never mind, I don't know him. Here, take my balls.
Take him.
Oh, that was a
Take
good
it.
land.
Oh, Shadow.
Good for you.
Yo, bro,
I'm
when did you
nervous.
get that hat, my guy?
Just make some Kit Kat, bro.
No, I'm not 1v1ing, dude.
Bro, leave.
He changed it to likes recently, though, but I had it before he changed it. So.
Oh.
Yeah, bro,
It's
those seem way more easy than likes. I'm just tall. Because, like, you can get a lot of views.
Bro, y'all.
On her account, I got banned on, like, 8K, my 8K account, before I played this game. How I got those followers where I posted a video that got like 11 mil views, and I still only got like 400K likes.
That hit rim. That hit rim.
It's one thing to get the views, but then it's a whole nother thing to get all the likes.
Yeah.
You know, Shadow, 1v1 this guy. I'm a little rusty. I haven't played in like 2 weeks. I'm done. Yo, Cam.
Hold on.
Yeah, I cannot fade away.
Bro, I have so much legs. I'm not even good at it. Hey, bro, you can 1v1. You can 1v1.
Bro, what?
Where were you at?
That's him.
I can net shoot for the 15.
What is
I have to get to 9 and then shoot for shoot to 3 miles.
It's just like a reputation in the game. How many points you scored.
What the fuck?
3-pointers, and how many games.
I was so confused, my boy. Green. Oh my god.
I said no clue. And then when you click on it, it says volleyball opportunity. Yeah, I have no clue about that. Bro, yeah, I'm not good at small game at all. Too small game. Yeah, it's
your
because
height?
okay.
Hey, that's good.
I'm not even 4'1". You probably are.
You're probably shorter than your
Bro, it's like 4'10" at the max. I'm not 4'10".
It's you.
People that height me. So,
Fact.
you're one of them.
Bro,
You can't beat him, you gotta join. I turn it off. If you can't beat him, you gotta join.
Alright, touch it out.
Okay. See,
Exactly.
now, yep, it's
Oh, that's cool.
Joey.
I 1v1 shadow, okay? Still my name? Yo, let's start hitting up. I'm gonna 1v1 him after. So So I'll no, you can already tell this guy's gonna shoot a 3 real quick. Okay.
What was that?
Nah, bro. Alright, whatever. I'll just do this one later. I'll probably lose. I don't really care.
Bro.
Hypnotize looks like I was in this that dark, bro. It's so spooky. No. He missed? I thought that was him. I hit my fucking
You dumb, stupid, Hey, are you dumb, stupid, or dumb?
They're just original ones.
Will you use default?
I'm because like look at this.
It's a
I'm
No, sir. Sir. This. Oh, sir.
Try 150, 150 then.
People in this court shoot real well.
Oh, no, you're good.
like sometimes I make them like
Show them what you could do, my boy.
So how do you
Show them. Who can shoot?
see?
Hey, one more time, my boy. Let's have a shoot.
confident.
Oh my God.
I can't shoot.
Oh shit, brother.
Hezzy. Green. Not green. Backboard.
I think I know how.
Oh my God. So green. Frick. Oh, I don't know if that hit rim.
The fact that he only snatches too, bro.
Your boy got shot some get that. Go get that gun and get some. Oh my God. Dumb. Stupid. You're not gonna shoot 3 games? I am. That's not game though, so. You're at 10. Okay. I'm not gonna dunk it, huh?
And then it doesn't let me jump because it jumps on top of me.
I mean, usually people shoot at 9. I am gonna shoot the last my way. Shut up. Man, shut up.
That should have been it.
Look at you, Seth. Look at you.
Oh my God, oh my God. How does he finish?
Oh my God. This kid missed the dunk. Bruh.
What's up, Cam?
Bro, I thought that was the ball.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Get the fucking ball.
Wow out. Wow out.
Thank you, bud.
Dad, your friend's here.
Bro.
Hey, GG, my boy.
Of course he makes that because this kid.
And he doesn't even kick it
How does he
back.
snatch that with his
That was a good game, my boy.
This boy got Spectrum Wi-Fi.
He just does that because he's a fucking
This boy
fat
got
pussy.
Spectrum Wi-Fi. And he gets
Wait, how do you do it again? It's like, okay, ready?
Bro,
So-
you're a goofy ass.
Back.
So,
Where you going, buddy?
bro.
This guy doesn't shoot for a game.
Bro.
What a dude, bro. You're a fuck. You're not
Well,
going
I'm gonna be running.
Get better.
Fucking
Get
bum.
better. The guy I was going against, all he does is snatch, freeze, and he doesn't shoot for a game. Yes.
Dude, this dude's internet's ass.
And he has Spectrum Wi-Fi.
Yo, is that you? Is that you? Is that you? Is that
Yo, what's good, monkeys? What up, good?
monkey birds? Yo, I'm gonna be. I ain't no monkey. I'm a bird, bro. Oh.
I'm too used to letting gorillas like.
No, guys, shut up.
I'm here to settle a debate.
I'm a
What's better,
bird.
Monster or Bang?
What?
What's
What?
better, Monster? What energy drink is better, Monster or Bang? Choose wisely.
Um,
Bang, bang.
bang, bang, Bang,
Bang,
bang,
bang,
bang, bang, because they sponsored me and I'm legally supposed to say that because
And they sponsored me
I
too.
can't talk about it because God damn it, I can't even say what it is.
Because it's
How do I say it without getting fucked by bang?
without getting
No, disclose, agree. Put those together. I signed that contract.
Listen.
So now I'm legally not allowed to say anything against
Somebody
bang.
here said monster.
Well, at least if I did, they'd not sponsor me again. Wait, who are you? Who are you? Sponsor me, bang.
Sponsor me! No, sponsor me!
Bro,
Wait,
Monster
no,
tastes
wait,
like
wait.
shit. It tastes like piss.
Bro, J-Man literally just drinks.
Bro, I don't care about J-Man.
Monster 20
Bro, I don't
times
care
seven.
about J-Man. I'm not
Nobody
J-Man.
likes J-Man.
I'm not J-Man, bro.
Like, all he does
Sadly.
is just post Gorilla today. He just posts that 20. And he literally had to play with 50 VR, so boom! Fuck. Let's go hit J-Man in home. Everybody go to home. We're gonna hit J-Man. We're gonna hit
I hate
J-Man.
that guy, bro. I hate J-Man.
Everybody get to home.
Oh no!
We gotta get our drippiness on though.
Wait for
Gotta
me!
put our drippy
Wait for me,
style
I'm not
on.
home yet.
We gotta get our
I'm not
drippy
home.
stuff on. So
Yo, wait for me, I'm not home.
this hat with these bunny ears
Wait for me, boys.
are gonna
I'm
be
not at home.
fire,
Help me.
like crazy, bro. Look at my fit.
I made it. I made it.
But am I drippy? Am I drippy? Am I drippy?
J-Man!
Am
Nah,
I
I want
drippy?
this.
I'm drippier than J-Man, right, bro?
Yeah, so would.
Everybody, get to the J-Mans. We're gonna abuse the J-Mans. That's what you get, J-Man.
But I want the
You're
stick.
not sponsoring me in your video.
You did? Guys, J-Man's clone is chasing me. He's chasing me.
Oh shit!
Bah! It's chasing me! Wait. Guys, he's chasing me. J-Man's chasing me. Bah! Bah!
What the? I just sent J-Man into the void. No, I actually sent him into the void.
Nah, fam, look at him over there. Nah, get him out. Now watch this.
Get him out! Get him out!
Boy, get him out.
Push him!
Yeah,
Push
I
him!
gotta record this.
J-Man shall die in the void.
No, J-Man! Come here, get him out throw him in the void, wrong way!
Me and these dudes. Okay, are you guys, can I call you guys my friends? Can I call you guys my
Yeah.
friends?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I need to record this.
No. Get out!
Okay, me and my friends are abusing J-Man. Die.
Come
Die,
on,
J-Man.
Come on.
Die,
No.
J-Man.
Stop rolling him this way! Get out. Bah, listen, I go on this side, you two stay together and kiss each other. I'm going to bounce castle. You guys
Yo. Die, J-Man, die. Imagine not abusing J-Man.
Oh! Yo, boys, have fun of being a bouncy
Abukabanga.
castle. This is busted.
I got a tree with that big buzz. And you're gonna go, kitty, wanna go, kitty.
Yo, listen, join me in the bouncy castle. Come on, man.
It looks
Join me.
despicable.
No, wait, I'm literally stuck. Okay, there.
I dare you
Go
guys
watch,
to give
watch.
J-Man a little smoochie.
Bop.
Oh, shoot.
Bop.
What the? I just knocked J-Man into the void.
No, watch
Yeah, I
this,
just
watch this
knocked-
start flying.
All I did was
Oh,
punching him and